In this video, I will show you how you can set up voice control on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, just head to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just scroll down a bit and you will find the option for voice control. Now just tap on it, and from here just tap on Setup Voice Control. Now just tap on English, and from here you can select the language which you want to use. As you can see, by default it is using the default language of your iPhone, but you can select any of the other options which are available in this list. After that, just tap on Done and select Continue. Now over here you will find all the actions which you can use with voice control, like go home, go back, and stop listening. Now just tap on Done. And as you can see, it is showing an orange dot over here, which indicates that the microphone is working and our iPhone is ready to hear the command, like go home, open YouTube, go to home screen, swipe right, swipe left, open settings, go back, go to the home screen. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.